The impact of a hair transformation goes well beyond the physical. It's about unlocking your inner beauty and expressing your unique personality. Whether you are seeking a bold, edgy change or a subtle, elegant refinement, my video will inspire you with a variety of styles suitable for every taste. Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Life with Style. So, dear viewers, join me in the journey where we explore how a simple change in hairstyle can dramatically enhance your looks and boost your confidence. So, dear viewers, in this exciting video, I will showcase jaw-dropping hair transformations that prove the magic of a new do goes far beyond aesthetics. So dear viewers, your hair is more than just strands, it's a canvas waiting to be artfully crafted. So dear viewers, we have partnered with very impressive and eye-catching ideas with this video. So dear viewers, watch with this video till end and join me as we delve into the world of hair extensions, wigs, hair pieces and hair transformation ideas in this video. So discover the secret of choosing the perfect hairstyles to complement your face shape, skin tone and lifestyles. So dear viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share my video to your friends and family members. And dear friends, also comment me because your comments are very valuable for me. And dear viewers, press the bell icon button also because by doing this, you can get my all the fashion Insta videos timely. So dear viewers, whether you are consider a radical change or simply want to refresh your current style, this video is your guide to the world of the hair transformation. Prepare to be inspired, empowered and amazed the incredible impact a newly hairstyle can have on your confidence and overall appearance. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more beauty and transformational content.